Hi, the goal of this video is show how to connect a new server in the domain. Okay, this server that I have here is the my factory tool directory, and I want to connect this to my domain controller server, that is the domain server. Let me show a little bit some information that we are going to need. The domain server is the server that ends in 14. In my factory tool directory is the server that ends in 99. The fifth thing that I need to do is go to the new computer, go to the Ethernet card, and change the IP address for what I want. I don't want to use IPC TCP IP version 6. I want to use only version 4. Here is the IP address of my new client. This is the gateway. My gateway is a switch. And here is the domain server IP address. That was 14. Okay, now we are going to be available to see the server. Other thing that we can do here is change our server name or client name. This moment, this is going to be my factory tool directory, but I want here this name. And I don't want this in the workgroup, I want this in the domain. My domain is lab.coc, and when I click OK, this user that I need to use is the user that is in the domain controller. In this moment, I'm going to log in with administrator. But this administrator is not my local administrator, it's my domain administrator. I type the password, and voila. It's say that welcome to the domain. Now I need to reboot this. Okay, restart. I did all the things with my local administrator user. Now to check that everything is working well, I need to log in with my domain user. Okay, we are in the factory tool directory, and here this is my local. I want to do it with my domain user. For that reason, I add lab first, that is my domain. And in my case, this password is different. I have one password for my local administrators and other password for my domain administrators. Okay. Now it's starting. Okay, yes. Everything okay. And now if I check in the domain server, Active Directory, user and computers, it takes a while sometimes. Now I have my new server in the domain. Here I'm doing a Rockwell simulation environment. I have Vantage Point, Factory Tool View, Historian, Batch, SQL, my Rockwell Factory Tool directory. Okay, that is all for now. Thank you.